Are you looking for the best snowboard bags in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best snowboard bags that are available on the market. If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and press the subscribe and bell button. Okay, let's start the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Thule RoundTrip Snowboard Bag 165 cm. The Thule RoundTrip Snowboard Bag is a top-quality, feature-rich bag option for serious riders who log a lot of days on the hill each season. A stellar choice for day trips and international adventures alike, the RoundTrip features a multi-board capacity and modular compatibility with other Thule snowsports bags. Able to fit boards up to 165 cm in length, this board bag is available with and without roller wheels in order to more precisely meet your travel needs. Integrated attachment points are furthermore compatible with other Thule snowsports bags, including the RoundTrip Ski and Snowboard Boot Backpack, and the RoundTrip Ski and Snowboard Duffel Bag, so you can really set this system up for more gear-intensive trips when you want it. 2 padded cinch bags are present at each end of the bag interior for stashing your outerwear and for additional board protection, while an internal zippered pocket further increases organization potential. If you stash your boots and outerwear within the main compartment, there likely won't be room to pack another board deck, but if you utilize one of Thule's compatible gear bags along with the snowboard bag, you can slide another board in there. This makes the RoundTrip, as the name implies, an excellent option for air travel and extended trips. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Winterial Rolling Expandable Snowboard and Ski Bag. The Winterial Rolling Expandable Snowboard and Ski Bag is an exceptionally versatile option offering ample padding and an abundance of storage space and organization potential. Able to expand from 63 to 73 inches in length, this board bag can accommodate a wide spectrum of board sizes, making it a great option for a growing child or teen who's bound to grow out of their current board in due time. The height of this bag is also expandable from 6.5 to 10 inches in depth, so you can stack multiple boards or create space for particularly large gear loads when you need to. Equipped with both internal and external compression straps, you can furthermore cinch this board bag down nice and tight when it's time to move, regardless of how extensively you've loaded it up. Equipped with a wide array of external zippered pockets, Winterial has set this bag option up with some seriously awesome overall storage and organization potential. There's tons of room for accessories of all kinds, so those seeking a bring everything bag will definitely find a friend here. Impact-resistant rubber wheels enable easier toting over solid ground, while reinforced back panels prevent the bag from sagging in transit as well as from abrading due to fabric dragging. 4 rubber carry handles go on to enable a number of different hauling options, so no matter where you end up, bringing your board and essential gear along is made easy. At number 3, we have the Athletico Conquest Padded Snowboard Bag with Wheels. The Athletico Conquest Padded Snowboard Bag with Wheels is an excellent value, full-feature board bag offering impressive versatility, impact protection, and organization potential for the price point. Available in multiple sizes to more precisely fit various board lengths, this option is equipped with 10 mm of dense foam padding surrounding the entire board bag. Built from 600D water-resistant polyester, the Conquest bag offers top-notch protection from both the inside and out. Internal board straps ensure your snowboard is nicely secured and braced within the bag, while multiple carry handles and a detachable shoulder strap enable easier carrying when you're unable to roll the bag. Including internal and external zippered pockets for precise organization of your gear, the brand has engineered this board bag for strategic packing however you see fit. The internal compartment is furthermore lined with waterproof, thermal insulation, so your boots, socks, and outerwear won't become freezing cold in there if they're left in the car overnight. At number 2, we have the Element Equipment Deluxe Padded Snowboard Bag. No doubt one of the best overall value options on the market, the Element Equipment Deluxe Padded Snowboard Bag is not to be overlooked no matter what kind of rider you are. Suitable for air travel, day trips, and off-season storage alike, This is a highly versatile and affordable option featuring a 100% brand guarantee. Fully padded with additional capacity for boots and outerwear, the brand has engineered a feature-rich board bag option here at a more than reasonable price point. The water-resistant 600 DPVC-coated polyester construction is built to last, while side and end haul handles as well as a removable shoulder strap are present for easier hauling. The brand has also gone on to include an exterior zippered pocket for stashing a few accessories, so there's space for some odds and ends that don't fit into the main compartment. Available in 2 different sizes and a wide array of color choices to personalize your aesthetic, Element Equipment has truly engineered a simple and straightforward, no-nonsense board bag with this one that won't break the bank. And finally at number 1, we have the Athletico padded 2-piece snowboard and boot bag combo. Here's a cheap, minimalist board bag option from Athletico offering adequate protection, as well as an included separate boot bag. The padded 2-piece snowboard and boot bag combo features 5 mm of dense foam padding within an exceptionally lightweight and streamlined construction, making it perfect for day trips to the mountain and off-season board storage. What you see is what you get with this one. It's a weather-resistant polyester board bag engineered for minimalist applications where you simply want to protect your board with a bit of padding, and enable easier carrying. The included boot bag is also equally handy for packing your outerwear and other essential gear if you already own a boot bag. While the 5 mm of padding is not particularly robust, it does offer at least some protection against board bangs and chips. Remember, this is designed as a bare-bones bag for grab-and-go applications, so don't expect it to provide flawless protection during air travel or if shipping your board. The brand has however equipped this option with a 3/4 length zipper for simplified gear loading, and a removable shoulder strap for easier toting. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friend. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.